Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today I have some lemon and I have some tangerine. Today's topic is about making lemonade out of lemon, as in making the best of a bad situation. When you're traveling, sometimes things go haywire, but you have to make the best of it. Well, here are some few tips you can have when you're traveling. First of all, try and breathe in, breathe out, regroup so that you things don't even get worse than they are. You can decide to take some few deep breaths, like 100, go for a walk so that you calm down when you're traveling. Just take a moment to regroup. Avoid temper tantrums. Secondly, you can try and find out what is the next best thing you can do, the way forward, instead of dwelling on what has already happened. Thirdly, to avoid things going haywire so much, try and be prepared. And when you are preparing for your trip, you have a backup plan. For instance, your ID documents, your identification documents, you should be having copies back home, and too much valuable items don't carry if you don't need them, so that to avoid if they get lost, just in case, and you value them so much. Also, the third thing you can do is just be friendly to the people around you so that you can work out the way forward together. For instance, if there's some people who lost their items when they're traveling, we can know what's the next thing we can do. Try and retrace the steps and try and find out how we can get the items back. Even if it will take a little bit of time, just appreciate the fact that you'll be able to get them back. Do not cause temper tantrums to, for instance, when you've traveled and you've reached a hotel, they forgot to book you into a room. That won't help. It's better you just be friendly, and they will even be encouraged to get you a good room to make up for what has happened. The last tip is be grateful. Be grateful even for the opportunity to travel and for the experiences, good and bad, so they may make you a better person. Well, that's it for Paths Oasis. For more details, check out my website, pathsoasis.com. Until next time.